Hi, first graders. Welcome to Lesson 27, Spelling. You'll notice once again that there is not a new sound spelling card behind me. You don't have a new spelling to learn this week, but you're going to review some of the rules that you learned last week with the inflectional endings and learn a couple new ones. And you're going to use two new inflectional endings. So right over here, you'll see the endings ER and EST. Those go at the end of adjectives to help you compare things. So we're going to be adding and est to the ends of some adjectives, and you'll be learning two new rules and then reviewing two rules from last week. So I've got 4 different base words here. We're going to practice each one of them adding both endings ER and EST. If you look at our first base word, the word is big. And you probably remember from last week that if we've got a short vowel followed by one consonant, there's something special that you have to do to that consonant. You have to double it before you can add the inflectional endings. So if my base word is big, big, I'm going to double the consonant and then I'll add ER to make bigger, and also big, double that final consonant to make biggest. So big, bigger, biggest. The base word big has the short vowel with one consonant, and then the words with the inflectional endings, you double the consonant before you add the ending. If you look at our second base word, fast, you'll see that there's a short vowel followed by 2 consonants. And if you remember from last week, if you've got a word with a short vowel and 2 consonants, you don't have to change anything. These ones are the easy ones. So we're going to turn fast into faster, fast, and I've got my short vowel with 2 consonants, so I'm just going to add the ending, ER, to make faster. And we'll do it again to turn fast into fastest. She's the fastest runner. Short vowel followed by 2 consonants, we just have to add the ending, EST. So we can turn fast into faster and fastest. Now there are 2 new rules that you're going to be practicing this week. Here I've got the base word with a long vowel sound, mean. When I've got a long vowel sound and 1 consonant, you do not have to double the consonant. You only double the consonant if it's a short vowel, like in the example, big. So if I want to turn mean into meaner, my sister is meaner than me, mean, I do not have to double the consonant. I just add my ending, meaner, and then we can make it also meanest. He is the meanest monster. Meanest, meanest. There's a long vowel followed by 1 consonant, so you don't have to double the consonant. The 4th example that we've got down here is the base word happy. Now with this base word, it ends in a Y. So if you've got a base word that ends in a Y, before you can add the ending, you drop the Y, change it to I, and then add the ending. So if I wanted to turn happy into happier, I'm going to drop the Y, change it to I, and then add ER, happier. And same thing with happiest. My base word is happy, ends in a Y, so I'm going to drop the Y, change it to I, and then add the ending EST. Happy, happier, happiest. So again, this week you'll be practicing adding some inflectional endings ER and EST. You already know that if there's a short vowel followed by 1 consonant, you double that consonant before you add your suffix, your inflectional ending ER and EST. And if you have a short vowel followed by 2 consonants, you've already got 2 consonants. You don't have to double anything. So we turn fast into faster and fastest. New rules for the week. If you've got a long vowel, like in the word mean, mean, you do not have to double that final consonant. You only do that if it's a short vowel. Mean, meaner, meanest. And if you have a base word that ends in a Y, you change that Y to an I before you add the inflectional ending ER and EST. So good luck practicing those 2 new rules and reviewing the 2 old rules from last week. Good luck on your spelling pretest, and I'll see you soon. Bye!